Hi, welcome to Teach Me Music TV. I'm CiCi and today I'm going to be talking about mix and belt placement. Now this really works for female singers. Mix is kind of like the boys or male's falsetto, so we'll kind of briefly touch on that as well, but I'm going to be talking about how to hit those really big notes powerfully and safely. Everyone kind of thinks that to sing loud you've got to have, and high, you've got to have a really strong belt. I find that singing in my belt for a long period of time fatigues me quite a lot. So I have developed kind of this mix placement, which when I say mix, I'm talking about a combination of your chest and your head voice together using twang, which is a lot of nasal kind of sound. So to do this, we're going to talk about 3 different kind of placements. So we start with a hum, nice gentle hum. So we're going to start on an A here, and we're just going to hum. All the sound is coming from your nose here. So if I was to pinch my nose, the sound's going to stop. So all the sound's coming from my nose. Very nasal, very important for this mix to work. Next, we're going to do an open hum. It's exactly what it is. You're going to open your mouth, but we're going to stay in that hum position. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from a hum to an open hum. What I'm doing there is I'm pushing my tongue, the top of my tongue, not the tip, the top of my tongue, to the roof of my mouth. It's in the same position. So I just really want you to kind of think about the position that you're in the hum and keeping it, but we're just going to open the mouth. It should sound the same. If it sounds like this, you've dropped the tongue. We need to make contact, make sure there's contact with the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Try and go from a hum to an open hum. 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Once you've really got comfortable with that, what we're going to do is we're going to slowly peel off the top of that tongue, but keeping the larynx position high. We do not want to drop our larynx because that is just going to create a really airy, breathy sound. I'm going to show you what it should sound like, and then I'm going to show you what it shouldn't sound like. So, this is the correct sound. Okay, now I'm going to show you what it sounds like when you drop that larynx. You get a lot of air, it affects the pitch. It's much easier to work higher as well, which we're going to start working our way up. So, we're going to start in an A, and we're going to slowly work up. And when we get to about this E, we're going to really try and focus the sound through our nasal cavity here, using our twang. We're going to hold the hum for 4, the open hum for 4, and then the open sound for 4. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Off. Breathe in. Off. Breathe in. Off. Breathe in. Off. Okay, when you're getting to this register here, we want to think forward in our sound. We don't want to think backwards. Backward sound is like this. Ah! Get constriction here. It's all really tight. We want to keep everything really loose. Okay, let's move up a little bit so we can start exploring this range a little bit more. So this is a D now. 2, 3, 4. See how we're getting that really twangy, bright sound? Moving up, E flat. Excellent. Okay, so that is your mix. Another way to get into your mix is by using the word nya, okay? I use this a lot, especially if there's particular parts in a song that you're really struggling with, that placement up really high. I take the words out and I just use the word nya. So we're going to do that, and we're just going to start on an A going up chromatically. I'll show you what it's like and then we'll go back and do it together. So we've got nya, nya, nya. It's really bright. If you sound like a Sesame Street character, even better. So start on A, we're going to go nya, nya, nya. Breathing in, and then we're going to go up chromatically. And if you sound like a witch, you're doing it right. I really want you to kind of like feel that position, and like muscle memory will do all the rest of the work. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. Nya, nya, nya. Keeping it bright. Nya, nya, nya. 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 Okay, so when you get up to that point, you're kind of like, you're in this position, you just need to stay there. Grip everything and stay there. A lot of the songs I sing up high, I'm always in my mix, I'm never really belting. So talking about belting quality, that's a much fuller sound. Mix is small, belt is big. So we're gonna work a little bit further down in our register. I want you to think forward, rich, round sounds. I just want you to go ya, ya, and just keep going forward. I want you to propel that sound forward. Sing for the space that you're in, yeah? Not just in front of your mouth like this. So we're just gonna go ya. Then we're gonna take a big exhale out, get rid of all the air, all of the air, and then take a big breath in. And we're gonna go up again. So when we hit about B with a female voice, we kind of hit our break. You know, our break is where we're like, I can't sing in this placement anymore, I must flip. In this kind of ya, ya. We go up. We don't wanna do that. We wanna push a little bit past our belt. I reckon everyone can sing about 2 tones above their belt if they're really good at just pushing through, but safely. If things start to hurt here, then we need to take it back down a few tones and just kind of really work on that placement. So we're just going to go on a ya. This is starting on a G. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya. Get rid of all that air. Breathing in. Ya. Get rid of all that air. If the tone sounds really rich, great. This should be in a comfortable range for everyone here. This is an A, breathing in. Ya. Excellent. If you're getting constriction here, I think you're thinking backward. We want to think forward. Think about the sound directly coming out your mouth and going right in front of you and hitting whatever's in front of you. Don't think just here. Really visualize that. If you're doing a backward sound, it'll sound like this. And it'll be really tight here and constricted. Drop everything and just really relax. Relax everything here, your intercostal muscles, everything. Just relax. On an A, here we go. Breathing in. Good, going up. This is a B flat, so we're getting close to where our break is now. Breathing in. Excellent. B, this is most people's break. Breathing in. Okay, we're gonna go up 1 past our break today. So this is a C. Okay, big breath in, everyone. You can do it, I believe in you. Here we go, breathing in. Okay, so if things start to get shaky there, I think you need to just take a bigger breath in, relax everything, and stop the constriction here. Think low larynx, okay? Let's do a C again, low larynx, low, low. Open that mouth. Here we go, breathing in. 2, 3, 4. Good. I would then start to go into my mix placement for anything that's higher than that. And we'll talk about blending, how to go from your chest, belt to mix in another video. This has been Teach Me Music TV. I've been CiCi. Drop us a comment if you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to become a better singer.